sa naging oral arguments. After nitong session na to, ina-anticipate na natin na maraming mga batikos na ganyan, na kesyo tayo ay nagtatago or natatakot sa dokumento. Hindi po tayo takot sa dokumento. Ang gusto lang po natin yung naaayon sa batas. Very clear naman po. Para sa aming pananaw, yung naging pahayag ng Supreme Court doon sa kanilang naging desisyon. At yun naman po ay sinasabi, pinapoint out lang natin sa ating mga senator judges. Ngayon po, kung ano man ang maging desisyon ng impeachment court, of course, no, you will have to anticipate, to wait for whatever decision they will have. At nakabase doon na lang ang ating mga susunod na hakbang. But again, wala po tayong kinakatakot sa mga dokumento. It's really that, when we're trying to obtain evidence, to procure evidence, it always has to be within the limits of the Constitution, the laws, and the rules.
How due process should apply to that mode of impeachment? Each of the points that the defense has raised in their oral argument. Sabi po nila una ay due process daw ang isang paulit-ulit na dinidiin ng defense. But there's no debate that due process applies in this proceeding, just like in any other proceeding. The real issue before this honorable court is, will the subpoenas that we are asking be issued by this court actually deprive the respondent of any form of due process? Ang aming paniwala po ay hindi. And allow me to explain why. First of all, we are not yet at the stage where any evidence is being put in the trial or offered to the honorable court. Nandito pa lang po tayo sa punto na kung maari bang ipaproduce natin itong mga dokumentong ito. The defense will have every opportunity to make objections if and when particular exhibits or documents are identified by a witness and offered in evidence. Therefore, wala pong due process violation ang pag-issue ng subpoena. Second, paulit-ulit din po nilang sinasabi na ang ginagawa po ng prosecution ay fishing expedition. The defense repeatedly cites the case of Duterte versus House of Representatives as, I quote, the law of the land, as I quote, controlling daw yung desisyon na yan. That issue is just a side bypass or incidental declarations of the court that are not controlling and are not the law of the land. And if you look mismo at the decision of the court, they expressly said, we are speaking of due process in relation to how these proceedings reached the Senate as an impeachment court, not this kind of procedure.